Do you want to know how you can deactivate your UniBet account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can deactivate your UniBet account. Go ahead and open unibet.co.uk on your browser and then log into your account. The next step is to click on this account over here and click account, which you can see on the right hand side of your screen. Then the next step is to scroll a bit down and find account details, and you can see in the last you can see that there is something called deactivate my account. Go ahead and click on this link and it will take you to the deactivation link, where you can see that if you choose to deactivate your account, please note that you won't be able to log in or create a new account. Any pending bets will be settled as normal and you won't be able to withdraw any money. To help us improve our services, please let us know why you are leaving. So you must go ahead and select the reason why you are leaving and go ahead and click confirm. After you click confirm, you can see that your account has been temporarily deactivated, and now if you want to reopen your account, you can just go ahead and click contact us, and then you can allow your account again, and then you can activate your account again. So guys, this is how you deactivate your UniBet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.